Title: A Thought Experiment with God. I, Albert Einstein, sit at my desk, the familiar clutter of papers and scientific instruments scattered around me like old friends. The year is 1920, and I have just published my theory of the photoelectric effect, a theory that would earn me the Nobel Prize in physics. But today I am not thinking about electrons or photons. Instead, my mind is consumed by an idea that has been haunting me for years. God does not play dice with the universe. I glance up at the framed photograph of Michelangelo's Pieta on the wall above my desk. Her serene face seems to offer comfort as I ponder this thought, her hands cradling the lifeless body of Christ, a reminder that even in death there is beauty and order. But can the same be said for the chaotic world of subatomic particles? I lean back in my chair, closing my eyes as I recall the words of my mentor, Hermann Minkowski. The universe is simple in its structure. God is not playing dice. These words have stayed with me throughout my career, fueling my desire to understand the underlying order behind the seemingly random phenomena of our world. I open my eyes and pick up a pencil, tapping it against the edge of a sheet of paper as I contemplate how to prove this idea, this thought experiment with God. My mind races through equations and theories, but nothing seems quite right. Frustration builds within me as I realize that perhaps this is a question best left unanswered. But then, inspiration strikes. What if we could observe the behavior of individual particles over vast distances? Could it be that their actions are not truly random, but rather determined by some hidden order? With renewed determination, I begin to sketch out my ideas on the paper before me. As the hours turn into days and weeks, I work tirelessly on this new theory, driven by the belief that there must be a deeper truth hidden within the chaos of subatomic particles. And finally, after months of painstaking calculations and late-night contemplation, I have it, a unified field theory that explains both the behavior of large objects and the seemingly random actions of subatomic particles. I stand up from my chair, my heart pounding with excitement as I realize what I have discovered. God does not play dice. The universe is governed by a single, all-encompassing order, hidden beneath the surface of chaos and complexity. And now it is mine to share with the world. I pick up the telephone and dial the number for the journal Nature, my voice trembling as I explain my findings to the editor. The words flow easily from my lips. As far as the laws of mathematics refer to reality, they are not certain. It is only a matter of how good they are approximated. But today I have come closer than ever before to bridging that gap between theory and reality, proving that even in the smallest corners of our universe, there lies an underlying order waiting to be discovered. And so, as I hang up the phone and sit back down at my desk, I cannot help but feel a sense of peace and satisfaction. The thought experiment with God is over, and the results are clear. There is beauty and order in even the most chaotic corners of our universe.